Hello, Ben.
Hi, Anna.
Today, can we talk about English at school?
Sure, I love learning English at school.
Great! Let's ask each other questions and practice together. Do you like English class?
Yes, I like it very much.
Is English easy for you?
Sometimes it's easy, sometimes it's hard.
What do you do in English class?
We read, write, speak, and listen.
Do you read English stories?
Yes, I read short stories in class.
Who is your English teacher?
My English teacher is Mr. John.
Is your teacher nice?
Yes, he is very kind and helpful.
What time is your English class?
It's at 9 o'clock in the morning.
How many times do you study English in a week?
I study English 5 times a week.
Do you do English homework?
Yes, I do it every day.
Is the homework hard?
Sometimes, but I try my best.
What book do you use in class?
We use a book called Let's Learn English.
Do you write essays in class?
Yes, small ones about my family and school.
Do you like speaking English?
Yes, I like to practice speaking.
Do you speak with your friends in English?
A little. We try together.
Do you learn new words?
Yes, we learn 10 new words every week.
How do you remember new words?
I write them and say them many times.
Do you have a vocabulary notebook?
Yes, I write new words in it.
Do you play games in English class?
Yes, we play word games and spelling games.
What game do you like best?
I like the matching word game.
Do you listen to English songs?
Yes, we sing songs in class.
What song do you like?
I like, hello, hello, how are you?
Do you watch videos in class?
Yes, short English cartoons.
Do you answer questions in class?
Yes, I raise my hand and answer.
Are you shy to speak English?
A little, but I try to speak more.
Do you do group work in class?
Yes, we talk and work in teams.
What topics do you study?
We study family, food, animals, and school.
Do you take tests in English class?
Yes, we take tests every month.
Are the tests easy?
Some are easy, some are hard.
Do you study before the test?
Yes, I study the words and grammar.
What grammar do you learn?
We learn past tense, present tense, and questions.
Do you know how to ask questions in English?
Yes, I can ask simple questions.
What question words do you know?
I know who, what, where, when, why, and how.
Do you use a dictionary?
Yes, I use an English dictionary.
Do you have English class every day?
Yes, from Monday to Friday.
Do you like English more than math?
Yes, I enjoy English more.
Do you read English at home?
Yes, I read for 10 minutes every day.
Do your parents speak English?
No, but they help me learn.
Do you practice English at home?
Yes, I talk to myself in English.
Do you write in English at home?
Yes, I write a daily diary.
What do you write in your diary?
I write about my day and what I do.
Do you go to extra English class?
Yes, I go on Saturday.
How many students are in your English class?
There are 25 students.
Do you like your classmates?
Yes, we help each other.
What's your favorite English word?
My favorite word is happy.
Do you read English books from the library?
Yes, I borrow books every week.
Do you like reading books?
Yes, they help me learn more.
Do you have an English notebook?
Yes, I write everything in it.
Do you review your notes?
Yes, every weekend.
Do you do spelling tests?
Yes, every Friday.
Are you good at spelling?
I'm getting better every week.
Do you like writing in English?
Yes, I like writing short sentences.
Do you practice grammar in class?
Yes, we do grammar exercises every day.
Do you use flashcards?
Yes, for vocabulary and pictures.
Do you learn English poems?
Yes, short and easy ones.
Do you take notes in class?
Yes, I write down important points.
Do you use colored pens for notes?
Yes, it helps me remember better.
Do you do English projects?
Yes, sometimes we make posters.
Do you present in front of the class?
Yes, I feel nervous, but I try.
Do you practice pronunciation?
Yes, we repeat words together.
Do you learn phonics in English class?
Yes, it helps with reading and speaking.
Do you have English books at home?
Yes, I have 5 small books.
Do you read aloud in class?
Yes, we read one by one.
Do you correct each other in class?
Yes, kindly and nicely.
Do you answer your teacher's questions?
Yes, I try every time.
Do you get English grades?
Yes, from A to F.
What is your last English grade?
I got a B+ last time.
Are you happy with your grade?
Yes, but I want to improve.
Do you ask questions when you don't understand?
Yes, asking helps me learn.
Do you sit in the front of the class?
Yes, I can see and hear better.
Do you like reading stories in English?
Yes, especially fun and funny stories.
Do you draw pictures for English stories?
Yes, it makes learning fun.
Do you know the English alphabet?
Yes, A to Z.
Can you say the alphabet quickly?
Yes, I can say it fast.
Do you practice English online?
Yes, I use a learning app.
What app do you use? I use Duolingo and YouTube Kids.
Do you like English stories or songs more?
I like songs more.
Can you sing an English song now?
Sure. Twinkle, twinkle, little star.
Do you read English signs?
Yes, in school and outside.
Can you spell your name in English?
Yes, A-N-N-A.
Can you write a short paragraph in English?
Yes, about my favorite food.
Do you talk about family in English class?
Yes, it's a common topic.
Do you do role plays in class?
Yes, we act like customers or teachers.
Do you enjoy role plays?
Yes, it's fun and helps speaking.
Do you learn English games on the computer?
Yes, some are very fun.
Do you write letters in English?
Yes, like dear friend letters.
Do you make posters in English class?
Yes, about animals and seasons.
Do you use stickers for good work?
Yes, my teacher gives smiley stickers.
Do you review your mistakes?
Yes, I learn from them.
Do you do listening exercises?
Yes, we listen and write answers.
Do you follow instructions in English?
Yes, like open your book or stand up.
Can you understand your teacher's English?
Yes, he speaks slowly and clearly.
Do you enjoy English days at school?
Yes, we wear English t-shirts.
What do you do on English Day?
We play games and sing songs.
Do you watch English movies in class?
Yes, with subtitles.
Do you learn about English countries?
Yes, we talk about the UK and USA.
Do you know some English culture?
A little, like tea time in England.
Do you send emails in English?
Yes, short and simple ones.
Do you like reading comics in English?
Yes, they are funny and easy.
Can you tell a short story in English?
Yes, about a cat and a dog.
Do you use English and other subjects?
Yes, sometimes in science or IT.
Do you like learning English verbs?
Yes, they help with making sentences. Do you play vocabulary games?
Yes, we play bingo and puzzles. Do you use pictures to learn English?
Yes. Pictures help me remember. Do you enjoy writing stories in English?
Yes, even if they are short. Do you practice English every day?
Yes, I try to do a little every day. Do you think English is important?
Yes, very important. Why is English important to you?
It helps me learn more and travel. Do you want to be good at English?
Yes, I want to speak it well. What is your English goal?
To speak and write clearly. Do you learn new things every class?
Yes, even small things. Do you enjoy learning English with friends?
Yes, learning together is fun. Do you share books with friends?
Yes, we read and talk about them. Do you ever help your friends in English class?
Yes, I help them with words. Do you ask for help when you don't understand?
Yes, I ask my teacher or friends. Do you get feedback from your teacher?
Yes, she tells me how to improve. Do you like learning English songs or chants?
Yes, chants are fun and easy to learn. Do you watch English videos on YouTube?
Yes, videos with subtitles. Do you dream in English?
Sometimes it's funny. Do you want to teach English one day?
Maybe. That would be nice. Do you feel happy when you speak English?
Yes, very proud of myself.
Thank you, Ben. That was a great practice.
Yes, I learned a lot today.
Me too. Let's speak more English tomorrow.
Sure, see you at English class.
See you. Bye-bye.